Hey everyone, this is Randall, and this is the chrono. Okay, so you start by just recording yourself making a video. I use my mobile phone. I recommend holding it sideways. That way you don't have the black sidebars, and hold it about, arm's length away. When you hit record with your thumb. Look at the camera, not at your face. If you look at your face, it'll look like you're looking off screen. So try and make eye contact with the camera. Talk pretty slowly, accentuate your intonation more than you normally would. Otherwise, you'll sound flat. And when you're done, you hit stop. And then once you hit stop, let's see here. So once you hit stop, I already recorded this just to save time. Down at the bottom of your phone, I have an Android. It might look different if you have a Mac, but there'll be a little share button of some sort. And that one of your choices with that will be share to YouTube. So share it to YouTube. With this, you probably need to be signed into YouTube already. And you do that just by having a Gmail account and have a Gmail account, go to YouTube and sign in. And then the other tip is if you have G Suite for Education, you probably can't use that account. YouTube is automatically blocked there unless your administrators have changed it. So those are my tips for that. You hit upload, and you can set it to unlisted, which means that only people who have the exact address can find it, and then wait for it to be done. Okay, and now it's just time to put the link into put the link. Okay, you'll have to wait a couple minutes for your video to upload, but as soon as it's done, click on the share button on your screen and send it to your email account that's associated with your website. So I did that already. Oops, wrong site. So I got the email here. I'm just going to copy the link, jump back over to my website. Now, let's see, I'll go down here to where it says YouTube on the right-hand side, paste in the link, search for it, and there's my introduction. Select it, and it automatically inserts it to the site. Now with this introduction, I just made it like 45 seconds to introduce the idea of spiders. And I like the video idea more than this text. Since I have some students who might do better with reading the text though, I'll leave that there and just drop that down under it. And yeah, that doesn't look too bad. I'm not going for great web design here though, just clear, accessible. Remember, if you put in a video, then YouTube will automatically provide captions, but they're not ADA compliant. So if you have students who have special needs, you'll have to add your own captions. And my other tip for this is make your videos short and sweet. The idea is that long lectures are boring, period, for most people, and most of us as teachers, with all truth and humility, are not the world's greatest lecturers. So just like you would use variety in your class, do that in your videos for your videos classes, and just as you would not want to watch somebody else just give a videotaped presentation, don't do that for your students. But the short videos can be really good for building your social presence, letting your students remember that you're a real person during this time, that they're not alone, and so use it as a motivational tool. 1 to 5 minute videos are awesome for that for almost all ages. So try it out, and hope this is helpful.